Okay.
Timer starts.
3 words.
Go. 3
3
words.
words. First
First
word.
word. Is it English or Tagalog?
Your call center,
First word.
Ang haba, First,
Tulay.
meter. Destination.
Final destination.
Point to point.
Mag-isa ka?
From one point
good
to
luck.
another.
Teleport.
Teleport.
Sounds like.
Oh, erase. Let's go.
First
word. Never. Never.
Ay, parang alam ko na.
Never say goodbye.
Ay.
Is it action?
Tagalog.
Second word.
Tagalog movie.
English. Foreign. Oh, sige.
Oras
Second
na.
word.
Oh my God, ang layo pa.
What's that? Is that a road?
Never say never.
Just way. Hi, ano?
Tulay, kalsada.
Second word. 2
Jump.
syllables.
Jump.
Never talk to strangers.
Never say goodbye.
Third
Third
word.
word.
Bible. Page.
Oo nga, tama.
Book.
The Book of Eli.
Dapat
Never.
talaga di ako
Read the
sumali
book.
dahil
Never.
marami ako ano naman.
Can. Kill. Second word.
Tulay.
Oh my God, baka magyan nahulaan.
Tulay.
Road.
Road.
Destination.
Lang yan. Alam ko na.
Never.
The road.
Stop. Black. End.
Ilan na lang?
Never end.
Ending story.
Never.
Oh, panalo, boy.
Layo
Nakuha. Yari, automagay na kayo.
1 minute lang oh.
Agay na kayo.
50 seconds.
Malapit na ako, tamo.
Dali eh.
Kasi alam mo yung si ma'am ko,
Good job.
Madali kasi yung
Madali.
Automagay na kayo.
iyak niya pero kinawalaan.
Agay na.
Game.
Sino nakahula? Si Riot Girls.
Siya nakakuha. Oh, isa pa.
Tumagay na.
kami.
Isip ko muna lang.
Oh, go. Take kaming paper ulit. Wala na kami.
Ito.